The question of the difference between our eHDx line of high-definition lenses and our relatively new HDgc line of high-definition lenses is a very good question. And it really speaks to our strategy of trying to have lenses that have a price and a performance commensurate with the broadening range of high-definition cameras and camcorders out there. For example, cameras and camcorders today that are north of $30,000, all the way up to perhaps $100,000. That's our Platform 1 lenses, is what we would recommend for those cameras and camcorders, without a doubt. These are the very best lenses that we know how to make with all of our optical capabilities within the constraints of 4 to 6 pounds of these portable lenses. And we have a companion Cine lenses of equal optical performance for the digital Cine cameras. So higher end cameras and camcorders, all out for performance, recommend eHDx and our HDEC. But recently there has been a proliferation of new cameras and camcorders from about $30,000 down. All of the major tapeless systems lie in that category for high definition news gathering and documentary and lower budget movie making. And we developed a Platform 2 lens for that level to try and pull performance pricing down with a modest compromise in performance. We did not make any compromise whatsoever in the electromechanics or the digital control systems, because shooters need all of the best there for news gathering, etc. But we did go inside, re-examine the optical design, use newer materials, different coatings, etc., and we're able to pull costs down by making adjustments there. The performance of these lenses, not on the same level as these, but still very good high definition performance, certainly good enough for high definition news. There are cameras and camcorders today that are $14,000, $15,000 and less, all the way down to about $5,000. So both Platform 1 and Platform 2 are on the high side for those cameras. And it's for that reason that we developed Platform 3. We make this under the label HDgc because the optical performance of this Platform 3 is identical to Platform 2. But we pull substantive costs out by changing materials. We use aluminum here instead of the magnesium that's used in these Platform 1 and 2. We use analog control systems for zoom and iris rather than the digital control systems used here. And there's no extender with these lenses. As a consequence, we're able to bring these lenses down a little under $10,000, but still very good high definition performance. In summary, high-end cameras and camcorders, 2/3 inch, no question, Platform 1. eHDx lenses and HDEC. For the middle category, cameras and camcorders, $30,000 down to say 15, of which there are many, Platform 2, HDgc. And then for the much lower cost cameras and camcorders, Platform 3.